Creating professional-looking presentations doesn't have to cost a fortune. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or a professional, there are free tools out there that make it easy to craft stunning slideshows. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 websites for creating online presentations, all for free. Let's dive in. First on our list is Canva, one of the most popular and versatile online design tools available today. Canva offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike. It features hundreds of free presentation templates tailored for various purposes, from business pitches to school projects. You can customize text, images, colors, and even animations. Canva's library includes free stock photos, icons, and illustrations that can bring your slides to life. Simply sign up for a free account, browse the presentation templates, and pick one that suits your needs. From there, you can edit slides in real time and save your work in the cloud. You can download your presentation in formats like PDF, PNG, or even share it directly as a link or view it as a slideshow. For instance, if you need to present a marketing strategy, you can find sleek, modern templates that help you convey your message effectively. Next, we have Zoho Show, a powerful tool for creating and delivering online presentations. Zoho Show is part of the Zoho suite and offers a clean, professional interface with plenty of customization options. It's great for business professionals looking for an alternative to PowerPoint. It provides free templates, text animations, transitions, and integrations with other Zoho tools like CRM and analytics. You can also collaborate with team members in real time. Start by creating a free Zoho account. Once logged in, choose a template or create a presentation from scratch. The platform offers tools to insert text, images, videos, and even data charts seamlessly. You can share presentations as a link, embed them on websites, or download them in formats like PPT and PDF. Zoho Show is an excellent choice for crafting corporate reports, training materials, or client presentations. Third on our list is Prezi, a platform that stands out for its dynamic, zooming presentation style. Prezi is ideal for anyone looking to break away from traditional slide-based presentations. Instead of static slides, Prezi lets you create a visual map that zooms into different sections for a more engaging storytelling experience. Prezi includes pre-made templates, dynamic transitions, and a collaborative feature for teamwork. You can also add multimedia elements like videos, charts, and voiceovers. Sign up for a free account, choose a template, and start creating your presentation. Prezi offers a step-by-step guide to help you make the most of its unique features. Prezi presentations can be shared via a link, embedded on websites, or presented directly from the platform. Prezi is perfect for presenting a business pitch, a TED-style talk, or any creative storytelling presentation where you want to wow your audience. Coming in at number 4 is Google Slides, a free presentation tool that's part of Google Workspace. Google Slides is perfect for collaborative projects, as multiple users can work on the same presentation simultaneously. It's web-based, so there's no need for downloads or installations. It offers basic design tools, animations, transitions, and the ability to insert videos and charts. You can also use pre-designed templates to save time. If you have a Google account, just go to Google Slides, create a new presentation, and start designing. Use the intuitive menu to add text, images, or multimedia elements. When you're done, you can download your presentation as a PowerPoint file, PDF, or share it via a link. Teachers can use Google Slides to create interactive lessons, while businesses can design professional slides for meetings or reports. Finally, we have Visme, a design tool known for its flexibility and rich features for creating presentations. Visme is perfect for users who want to add a bit of flair to their slides. It offers interactive elements like clickable links, pop-ups, and animated charts to keep your audience engaged. Visme provides hundreds of customizable templates, access to stock images, and the ability to embed multimedia elements. It also supports infographics, which makes it great for data-heavy presentations. After signing up, select a presentation template or start from scratch. Visme's interface lets you drag and drop elements, adjust colors, and include animations easily. You can export your presentation as a PDF, PowerPoint, or even as an interactive HTML file. Visme is a fantastic choice for educational seminars, webinars, or any project where creativity meets data. And there you have it, the top 5 websites for creating online presentations for free. From Canva's sleek templates to Prezi's engaging storytelling style, there's something here for everyone. Which platform will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.